Hello, my name is Alistair Iverson and I'm the Senior Business Analyst at DirectorERP.com. I would like to begin with some of the background of cloud computing, software as a service or SaaS, and how it can benefit your business. SaaS systems are predicted to grow 6 times faster than the overall software market, and it's become the #1 technology affecting finance and IT. An estimated 54% of businesses are planning to use or are interested in cloud-based products. Cloud computing and SaaS are terms to describe where both the applications you run and the data you create and access are stored remotely from your premises. The responsibility for maintaining servers, backups and software upgrades fall to the vendor rather than your IT department. SaaS is generally licensed on a per-user basis, allowing you the flexibility to scale up or down depending on your business needs. Access to your applications and data is through a web browser and can be accessed 24/7 from anywhere in the world, from any PC, laptop, or even tablets and smartphones. The last 3 years have seen an ever-increasing uptake of cloud-based systems compared to conventional on-premise systems, whilst products such as Microsoft Great Plains, Sage Accounting and Infor have fallen back in recent year-on-year sales. Whilst having to pay for maintenance costs, many businesses will experience the frustration that no matter how many times you update your software and hardware, the benefit to your business productivity remains marginal. Add to that the significant personnel, hardware and infrastructure overheads, and it's no wonder that often upgrades are done out of a fear of falling behind rather than a desire to move forward. Technology upgrades rarely allow you to make a step change in your business or drive innovation into your operations. They simply seem to continue the groundhog cycle of renew and obsolescence. It could be argued that conventional IT systems breed a built-in reluctance to upgrade. Hardly surprising when you consider that 91% of the cost of upgrading simply covers maintaining a constant standard, whilst only 9% is actually about innovation and moving the business forward. This reticence to constantly upgrade is reflected in the fact that only 1/3 of businesses run on current version software. And if there is no tangible productivity benefit, why would you upgrade anyway? However, being locked into stagnant IT systems can become a liability to your business, preventing you from improving your business intelligence, manage shrinking budgets and changing legislation, spreading the distribution of your business entities, or exploring new business models and innovative selling channels. Undoubtedly, it's very difficult to make a sea change in the same boat. Many companies end up with a collection of multi-vendor and often unconnected IT systems, having to resort to either employing third-party IT specialists to bridge the gaps, or suffer endlessly manually created and updated spreadsheets to try and pull business data together. Disconnected websites and Salesforce automation mean valuable sales pipeline can be lost. The result is more and more money and resources spent on just trying to integrate systems. If you're not sure how the data flows around your company, maybe draw a quick flow diagram of your systems and the movement of business data. I expect it will look something like this, what we call the hairball effect. Every link is a drain on your business efficiency. In a recent business survey on what businesses are looking for in next generation ERP systems, the need to streamline business processes came out on top, followed by reducing overall IT maintenance costs and better support for organisations who work and or trade from multiple locations is also needed. And finally, they just wanted their systems to be smarter and more able to adapt to their changing business needs. Bearing in mind our hairball from the previous slide, it's a little difficult to see how much of this is achievable continuing with segregated on-premise systems. So why run your business in the cloud? With the trusted off-premise vendor, you don't have to worry about maintaining changing accounting rules, and your software is automatically upgraded, allowing you to refocus maintenance budgets on business innovation. Your business's reach in terms of employees, customers and business partners becomes almost limitless, allowing you to radically rethink your company's rooftop needs and locations. Cloud computing typically offers you access to far greater scales of data storage, security and management, whilst also providing modern, easy-to-access integrated systems which can explode your business analytic capabilities. Cloud-based financial and Salesforce automation systems drive change and increase productivity. With data accessible anywhere, anytime, executives, managers and employees no longer need to be tethered to on-premise IT systems. All you need is an internet browser to give you the same access to your business systems from the office, your home or a hotel. In fact, anywhere in the world that has an internet connection. Integrated systems and shared data create streamlined business processes, eliminating duplicated data entry and reducing the complexities of reusing, amalgamating and distributing business information. Lower cost of ownership and speed of implementation is another attractive option for cloud-based ERP systems. Clearly, with no hardware or IT infrastructure to install, it is simply a question of switch on and log in. The cloud helps you look at ways of decentralizing your business. If all your systems, along with its data input, reporting and business intelligence, are available anywhere, anytime, does your executive, financial, sales and service teams really need to be in the same premise, city or even country? The cloud is about giving you options, not constraints. One size doesn't fit all, and the more flexibility your company has, the more nimble and innovative it becomes. In good times and bad times, it is the company that can quickly adapt and evolve that prospers. Back to our hairboard again. Even the cloud can't solve the problem of segregated systems by itself. Move all these separate systems up onto the cloud and you still have the same big problem: lack of integration. What we really need is a fully integrated, all points covered business solution. And so to introduce you to NetSuite, a company that has rapidly grown to become the world's #1 cloud-based ERP supplier, with over 1,200 employees in 10 offices worldwide. Their cloud business management solution runs mission-critical applications across finance, CRM, procurement, distribution, and eCommerce for over 12,000 organizations, ranging from small and medium-sized businesses to divisions of global enterprises. A key to NetSuite's success is the performance, security and reliability of their data centers. They provide a level of performance that is practically and economically impossible for a business to achieve with in-house and on-premise business applications. NetSuite lets you run your entire business in the cloud, seamlessly integrating business roles, corporate divisions and departments, and channeling business information into a single data store. The simplicity of shared data reduces duplication of work and gives employees access to the whole picture across sales, marketing, support and fulfillment. Executives and managers have access to real-time business KPIs and intelligence through their own personalized business dashboards. In addition, NetSuite goes beyond just the e-commerce integration to allow you to interact directly with your customers, vendors and partners through custom, fully integrated web portals. Out of the box, NetSuite's standard ERP solution allows you to trade in multiple currencies and countries. However, if you have subsidiaries that operate across different state or country tax nexus, then you can add the One World module to NetSuite's single platform solution. This allows you to consolidate data and business intelligence across multiple currencies, subsidiaries and tax nexus. NetSuite has multiple international versions, supports 15 languages and over 190 currencies, allowing local subsidiaries to trade globally whilst viewing business and financial information in their own language. Meanwhile, at a global level, executives can view real-time consolidated data across all subsidiaries in the parent company's local currency and language. Integration means real-time visibility. When a salesperson adds a new order, every other person in your organization who is affected by that sale will have their dashboard updated automatically. Not just their sales manager, but everyone, from warehouse manager to finance to executives, regardless of whether they're in the same office or even the same country. When a new prospect fills out a contact form on your website, your marketing and sales team will be instantly notified and their dashboards updated. Integration means efficiency. With dashboards being constantly updated with the changing picture of your business, senior management can monitor exceptions, ensuring leads don't get ignored, debtors don't go unchased, and trends don't get missed. Integration means flexibility. The dashboards are your dashboards. You can customize them to suit your particular needs, choosing from hundreds of standard alerts, highlights, reminders, and data lists. And if that's not enough, you can create your own from any data stored within your centralized database. NetSuite's future-proof philosophy ensures that your data is available not just on personal computers, but a growing range of personal devices such as smartphones and tablets. The simplicity of NetSuite is obvious. You move from multiple vendors, unconnected IT systems, bloated IT departments supporting a constant round-robin of installations, upgrades and patches, to, with NetSuite, one trusted vendor, one integrated system, and one subscription model. You could move from remote desktops, VPN, Citrix servers, domain logins, IT department restricted workstations, to, well, here's £500. Go down to PC World, buy a laptop, log in and start using the product. It is that simple. The benefits spread across your whole business, driving reductions in time spent on end-of-period close, invoice and audit preparation, and improvements in debt collection and quote-to-cash cycle. And, last but not least, significant savings in on-premise IT costs. With such a sea change in the way you can operate your business, it's not surprising that businesses express some concerns about moving to the cloud. These will include: how secure is my data, and is the system reliable? Will I be able to customize my system to match my changing business needs? And is the cloud a mature technology? In reality, NetSuite's cloud-based system can provide greater uptime and reliability than your current on-premise system. They consistently achieve greater than their 99.5% target, and over the last 4 years have seen a near 100% uptime rate. Bearing in mind this is for a system that handles over 4 billion data requests a month worldwide, it's a pretty impressive standard of service. NetSuite has an amazing array of tools to allow you to customize almost every aspect of your system, from the forms you enter data into, to the workflows that govern your business processes, to the reports and analytics you get out of your system. And when I say you, I mean every employee in your organization who has the right security privileges, not your IT department or contracted programmers. Compared to typical version lock systems, NetSuite gives you back control over your business data. NetSuite is trusted by global organizations around the world that use it to span divisions, subsidiaries, currencies and countries. NetSuite is proven across a wide range of business sectors, including software, wholesale distribution, manufacturing, professional services, retail and commerce, and global businesses. With its solid financial standing and commitment to innovative product development, NetSuite is the #1 choice. Its continued remarkable growth is driven by customer loyalty, satisfaction, and a service-centric mentality. Standards of data security and availability are well above industry norms, and customization options help you keep your business ahead of the game. Finally, I would like to ask you to take a minute to visualize your current IT setup. Think about how much time, effort and money your company is putting into just standing still. We look forward to helping you move to the cloud and free your business from the constraints imposed by conventional on-premise systems. When it's time to take your business to the cloud, visit our website at www.direct2erp.com for more information. Thank you for your time.